Let's check out how to make a soft and tasty banana bread. I use 2 bananas and a fork to smash it very well. When it's done, you have to add the other ingredients, which are eggs, salt, sugar, oil and baking soda. Simply mix everything together and then we can continue to add the other ingredients, which are flour and milk. As you can see, it's very easy to do, we just need to mix everything again. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. And the exact amount of the ingredients you will find in the description. The dough should be very soft, as you can see, and this is the shape what I used for the baking. I recommend you to use a baking paper and I crumpled it to be easier to handle. Then simply cut off the part which you don't need. Pour the mixture into the baking form and it needs 40 minutes in the oven. And then your beautiful banana bread is ready. Carefully remove the baking paper and let it cool a little bit before you slice it. It has an amazing smell which will fill the whole house and the taste speaks for itself. I had some apricot jam at home and it was very good with the bread. Try it at home and leave a comment how tasty it was.